Alright, so let's do a video on word problems dealing with quadratic equations. Alright, so I've got several examples I'm going to do. I'm going to do one problem per video, uh, and they'll all be different. And I'm trying to hit, trying to hit all the different types that you might see. Alright, so you can watch them all, or if you find the one you're looking for. Alright, so the first problem, it says a wheelchair ramp with a length of 122 inches has a horizontal distance of 120 inches. What is the ramp's vertical distance? Alright, so the best thing to do is just draw a picture. So if we look at a picture and we have a wheelchair ramp here, and it says a wheelchair ramp has a length of 122 inches. So we would label this the 122 inches. And it has a horizontal distance of 120 inches. So this would be 120 inches. Okay. And this is going to be a right angle. Okay. And we want to know the vertical distance, which is this value here. Okay. So to set this up, well, this is a right triangle, so we'll use Pythagorean theorem. Okay, here's your hypotenuse, the 122. So the Pythagorean theorem says x, that would be x squared, this side squared, plus this side squared, so plus 120 squared would equal the hypotenuse squared, which is 122 squared. Alright, so this is going to give me x squared plus, and then let's see, 120 squared. That's 14440 equals 122 squared, and that's going to be 14,884. And then I've got to get x squared by itself, so I'll subtract 14,400 to both sides, and that's going to give me x squared equals that's going to be 484. And so I'll use the square root property. That's x is equal to, and then that's the square root of 484, which is plus or minus 22. Okay. Well, we know that this height here is not negative 22, but that's using the square root property. Remember, when you use the square root property, it's plus or minus. But I know it's not the negative. My answer is the positive, and so x is equal to 22 inches. Alright, so that wasn't too bad. So, as we go, the further we get into the examples, the tougher they'll be. Alright, so hopefully this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, thanks.